Medalya ng Kasanayan pursuant to the BFP Praise MC number 2024-009, section 9.4, paragraph letter T, as approved by the CSC and the BFP Praise resolution number 2026-001 dated January 8, 2026. This Medalya ng Kasanayan is hereby awarded to FO3 Reynald P. Montano in recognition for passing the 2025 bar examinations administered by the Supreme Court of the Philippines through the Supreme Court Bar Examination Committee dated September 7, 10, and 14, 2025. Such remarkable achievements are an affirmation of their dedication, excellence, noteworthy efforts, and hard work, worthy of emulation to the personnel of Bureau of Fire Protection not only in Region 10 but in the entire nation. Given this 12th day of January 2026 at the Office of the Regional Director, BFP 10 Gumamela Extension, Carmen, Cagayan de Oro City. Signed, Romel C. Trajo, Fire Chief Superintendent, BFP Regional Director. Same Medalya ng Kasanayan is hereby awarded to FO2 Justin John A. Gabor. Once again, congratulations to our BFP 10's new attorneys. Sirs. That concludes our traditional Monday flag raising ceremony. This has been your host, FO1 Ayaay. Thank you and let's have a safe and productive week ahead.
Tapos na po ang malangay para sa seremonya sa Pilipinas po guys. Matawag na Pilipinas. Ako hingin na may ko, naglansan mo lang. Harap sa likod!